Alright guys, we are here in Leavenworth, Washington. If you didn't know, this is a Bavarian themed village. Kind of weird, right? In the middle of Washington. We are here to explore, see what there is to do, and find out if it's even worth the 2.5-hour drive from Seattle to get here.
Just checking out some stuff.
Yeah, I want to buy it all.
This is what Nicole looks like in a hat. It is pretty. So we're just exploring, just walking down the main strip of this little German town. It's really cool. So we're having a good time. Cool. So there are some beers here from the Icicle Brewing Company, which we will be headed there in a little bit. Try out some beer. We're super excited about that.
So you may be wondering why Leavenworth is a Bavarian themed village in the middle of Washington. It's because the railroad used to come through the town and then they switched the route up. So they lost all the tourists, their economy started crashing, so they kind of came together and said, what can we do to make this work better? They decided to make it a Bavarian themed village. We're gonna get this one for my dad.
You think you look good in that?
Yeah.
Are you gonna move to Leavenworth?
For sure, I'm gonna wear this all day, every day. Do you guys think this will look good on Arlo? I go with the brown. What do you think?
All right, to the pastry shop.
And a Florentina.
And we're about to try a Bavarian pretzel. We've never had one, I don't think, so it's gonna be an interesting experience.
All the flavors they have. They're about to have a Bavarian pretzel.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
We got to sample some of the chocolate.
And the caramel.
Oh my gosh, so good. The gentleman in there that, you know, takes care of you, super knowledgeable on all the chocolates. They are handmade in the back. Kitchen is right there, so, you know, definitely come check this out. We got some chocolates to try. I already forget what the flavors are, but when we see them, we'll know.
Okay, so we are about to try the cherry. Lyndon's gonna take a bite of half, and then I'm gonna take a bite. I think you took more than half.
I think I accidentally took the entire cherry actually out of the chocolate. She didn't get any cherry.
I'm not a cherry person anyway, so this is like a 2 out of 10 for me. Now we're on to pecan pie.
Okay, that's actually pretty good. It does taste like a pecan pie.
I'll give it like a 6 out of 10.
I'm giving it a 7.
Mango truffle, I'm really excited about this one. I love mango, super unique.
It tastes like a mango sorbet, almost.
9 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it an 8. So, in case we forgot to mention, the name of this place is S Chocolat. So, definitely come check it out. So, the store is basically all things Christmas. This town is known to be such a popular place around the Christmas time. The lights in the street light up every night and it's beautiful. They have so many festivities. So this is definitely represents Leavenworth very well. Avocado light set, huh?
Or like, look at the other little car, little piggies.
I think Nicole's in the Christmas mood now. We are now gonna take a break from store shopping and we are headed to the waterfront here. Hopefully it's pretty. It looked pretty when we saw it online. So we're gonna go check that out and then hopefully I'll be able to take the drone up and get some cool videos from above. At this point you may be wondering Where is our child? Where is Arlo? He's not gonna be here for this vlog. He is with his grandparents right now. We split up in this town just to go explore. We did not get rid of him. He's still alive, just with his grandparents.
One thing about Leavenworth is the drive here, kind of this time of year, can be really snowy, icy, rainy. That is one thing to keep in mind. Another is we came to the Waterfront Park, and I'm about to show you kind of what it looks like this time of year.
So that was really cool. You got a great view of the town and the backdrop of the Cascade Mountains, which is just spectacular. Now we're gonna get back to exploring the town before we head back and meet up with our parents and Arlo. We are headed to the Doghaus Brewery Company to try some beer. That's where we're meeting our parents and Arlo. So we're headed there right now, just a short walk away from us. For some reason, our parents texted us and just like said, come on over here first before we head to the brewery.
They're crazy.
We have no idea why. We're gonna see. Seemed like they were just a little fuzzy on the plan, maybe? I don't know.
They're parents, I guess. Maybe that will happen to us.
No
one day.
offense, guys. Now we are headed to Munchen House. We're gonna grab a beer before we head to Doghaus to meet up with them. So we are here at Munchen House getting a beer. It's absolutely gorgeous. They have tables with fires set up. It's just a really cool vibe. Has some great music playing in the back, so we're really enjoying it. It's kind of weird going out with just the two of us. It kind of feels like we're missing a third, which is weird, but it also is nice just to have the two of us together. How do you feel?
I definitely miss him. Like, that's my baby. But it is really nice spending some quality time with Linda.
Just finished up with our beers at Munchen House, and now we are finally going back to see our little baby. I want to see my baby though. Arlo! Hi! Your mom is coming soon. Do you like Leavenworth? So now we are finally headed to the Doghaus Brewery. This might be our last stop, we're not sure, but we're looking forward to it. The Doghaus Brewery is supposed to open at 3. We got there at 3. It was still closed. No lights were on, but we're gonna wait a few minutes just to see if they do open because, you know, it's Monday, so they might just be a little slow. So while we wait for them to open, we are just sitting by this fire to warm up.
It's not wet over here if you want to get closer to the fire.
I don't think he's seen fire before, so he's just absolutely mesmerized by it. You always just want to grab the camera. We're still waiting here. Cole's mom called the place, and apparently the person that's working today overslept. He's on his way in now. He said he'd be here in like 10 minutes.
It's 3:30.
It's 3:30. But we're just waiting here by the fire with everybody. So we're still enjoying our time here. All right, we are headed on in. Just finished up at the brewery. It's a really cute place. You definitely need to check it out. And the dollar bills that you post on the wall all get donated at the end of the year, I think, to the Humane Society here. So it's such a good cause. So definitely please come check this place out. It's super quaint and fun. Question at the beginning of this video that we asked was, is it worth coming to Leavenworth?
Yes.
It absolutely is. Although it is touristy, it definitely fulfills like a Bavarian style town.
And everyone is absolutely so friendly. I mean, they're just so kind. They have all the recommendations and they'll tell you exactly where to go.
So thank you guys for watching this video in the beautiful town of Leavenworth, and we will see you next time.
And if you like this video, you can like and maybe even smash that like button and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to us.